Good morning, good morning. Hello, hello, good morning.
Morning, teacher. How are you?
Hello, I'm doing good. How about you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Welcome, welcome to the class.
Thank you.
I'm waiting for your classmates. Where are they? Oh my gosh. Well, I hope that they can join us soon. I can see Catherine. Good morning, Catherine. Hello, hello. I'm sorry, I cannot hear you, Catherine. Roxana, can you listen to her?
Yes, teacher.
What happens is I cannot listen to Catherine. I think that she has the issues with the microphone again. Now I can see in the chat. Okay, good morning, Catherine. Welcome, welcome to the class. So today is Tuesday. Welcome, welcome everybody. We are going to continue studying, and today we are starting a new unit, okay? So today we are going to start the unit number 4, okay? So everybody, remember that this level has 5 units. So that means that 2 more units and it's over, okay? So are you ready for the next level? What do you think? Yes? ¿Listas para el siguiente nivel? Or do you want to be basic 1 again? So remember, please continue advancing on the platform, okay? We are starting the unit number 4. So lo ideal es que ustedes también ya estén trabajando en la unit number 4 de la platform, okay? Well, we are going to start. Today is June 4th. And we are going to start discussing some questions. For example, what time do you get up? What is the meaning for get up? What do you think?
Despertar.
Exactly, very good. It's like más específicamente levantarse, right? So, Radel, what time do you get up?
5:20.
Okay, that's early. Sounds good. And Roxana, how about you? What time do you get up?
I get up at 4 o'clock
4 every day?
every day, teacher,
Oh my gosh, that's very
because,
early.
because the traffic.
Yes, that's true. Oh my gosh. All right, okay. And Melissa, how about you? What time do you get up?
Good morning, teacher. I get up at 4 o'clock.
4 too, very early.
Yes,
Oh,
because traffic.
I know. Yeah, the traffic is crazy. And Catherine, how about you? What time do you get up? Okay, at 4. So everybody, almost everybody get up at 4. My gosh, that's very early. All right. Now look at the next question. Volunteer, please, for reading the next question.
Me?
Yes.
What time do you have breakfast?
So breakfast. What is
Breakfast.
breakfast?
I have breakfast at 12 o'clock.
12.
12.
So remember that breakfast is in the morning.
Ah, okay, okay. 8 o'clock.
8 o'clock, okay.
Yes.
All right. And you, everyone, what time do you have breakfast? Roxana, Radel, Catherine,
8 o'clock.
8 o'clock too? Okay. And you, Radel? Okay, I think he's not there.
7 o'clock.
At 7 o'clock. So right now. Okay, sounds good. Very good. Now look at here. Roxana, can you read the question, please?
What time you have lunch?
Okay, so lunch is after the breakfast. So what time?
I have lunch at 12 o'clock.
At 12, okay. Roxana, and you? You listen breaking up. You sound like breaking up. Can you repeat? I'm sorry, I cannot listen to you.
12 o'clock.
At 12 o'clock, okay.
Yes, teacher.
Very good. And Catherine says at 12 o'clock too. So I think that almost everybody has breakfast at 12 o'clock. Okay. And the last question, Radel, can you read the last question, please?
What time do you go to bed?
Thank you. So go to bed, it's like go to sleep. So what time, everyone? What time do you go to bed or go to sleep?
I go to bed at 9 o'clock.
At 9 o'clock, okay. Roxana, Catherine, Radel, how about you? At 9, 10, 11.
Also 9 o'clock.
Okay, all right. And you girls, Catherine, Roxana, what time do you go to bed?
I bet 9 o'clock.
9 o'clock, okay. Well, you wake up very early, right? So you need to sleep early. Very good. So look, we have been talking about time, okay? So today we are going to study the topic telling the time. And we are going to remember a little bit the numbers, okay? So those are the topics that we are going to study today. Telling the time, but also the numbers. If we want to say the time, we need to know the numbers. So let's start with that. Do you remember the numbers? Yes? More or less?
More or less.
More or
More or
less?
less.
Okay, don't worry. Let's review the numbers. First of all, let's see from 1 to 10 are, I think, the easiest one, okay? What you have to be careful is with the pronunciation. Because, for example, what is the pronunciation of this number?
5.
Ah, very good. 5. Can I say 5? Just 5? No, right? We need to pronounce the letter V. 5. What is the pronunciation of this number?
8.
8. Very good. So we have a letter T over here. The same with this number. Look, the pronunciation will be 9. There is an N at the end, so we need to pronounce it. So from 0 to 10, doubts, those are the most easiest ones. But remember, we need to pronounce it correctly. Now, let's go to the next one that is from 11 to 21. So we have 11. How can I say this number? Pronunciation?
12.
12. That's good. Now, from the 13 until the 19, remember that the stress goes here in the word teen. You need to make an emphasis on that part of the word. 13, 14, 15. Okay, that is the most important thing that you have to remember. Then we have to 20 or 20. Both are correct. Now, if you see the numbers are very repetitive. If you say 20, then how can I say 21? I'm going to say 21. How can I say 22? ¿Cómo diría 22? 22. So, vamos a ir repitiendo los numbers. Luego 23, 20 y luego 3. 24, 24. Hasta llegar al 29, 29. So, ¿qué pasa después? ¿Qué sigue después del 29? Ajá. Everyone, let's participate. 30, good. Now, listen, como los números son bien repetitivos, basically, solo tenemos que irnos aprendiendo las decenas. ¿Por qué? Here I have 30. Ok, ¿cómo digo 31?
31.
Exactly, 31. ¿Cómo diría 35?
35.
Exactly, 35. And so on, hasta llegar al 39. ¿Y qué sigue del 39? We got
40.
40. Y aquí vamos a lo mismo. 40, 41, 42, 43, ta. Luego 50, 51, 52, 53, and so on and so on. So, in this case, everyone, ya solo hay que aprenderse las decenas. 30, 40, 50, 60, until the 90. ¿Cómo diría 99? How can I say that? 99. Ajá. What do you think?
99.
Exactly. 99. So, after the 99, we have the 100. ¿Y cómo diría? Y aquí nuevamente se vuelve a repetir. ¿Cómo diría 101? 101. ¿Cómo diría 102? 102. So imagine everybody, how can I say this number? ¿Cómo diría este número? How can I say it? Mhm.
100.
Very good. 100 and then 45. Very good. So the numbers are very repetitive. Okay, you just have to memorize the basic form. And imagine, llegamos al 199. Then we have this number. Ya no voy a decir 100. Ahora voy a decir. What do you think?
200.
200. Exactly. Y lo mismo, 201, 202, and so on and so on. So, what do you think? ¿Cómo sería este number?
$800.
800, exactly. So, very repetitive, okay? So, in this moment, everyone, you can memorize this, the ones that I'm sharing with you right now. If you memorize these numbers, so it will be easier for you. Now, be careful with the pronunciation. Remember, for example, I have this number and I have this number. The spelling is different and the pronunciation is different too. What will be the pronunciation for 14? What is the pronunciation?
14.
Very good. Remember the stress, right? 14. And en el 40, the pronunciation is? 40. Yes, it's not a big deal. Now, how can I say 16? What is the pronunciation?
16.
16, right? There is the stress over there. 60? It's only 60. So you have to be careful with this because sometimes it can be confusing. Some people say, I don't know if it is 60 or 16, 50 or 15. Remember the stress, okay? We are going to have a quick practice. We are going to try to identify these numbers. Look at this, everybody. I'm going to play an audio and you have to check the number that you hear. For example, if you listen to the number 13, okay, check 13. But if you are like, it wasn't 13, it is 30, okay, click in 30. Understood the activity? Yes?
Yes,
Everybody?
teacher.
Okay, so I'm going to play the audio and complete the exercise. Later, I will be asking one by one. So pay attention, please. Here we go.
30, 40, 15, 60, 17, 80, 90.
Okay, could you listen to the audio? Yes?
One more time, please.
One more time? Absolutely, don't worry. Okay, I'm going to play the audio again. Listen, please.
30, 40, 15, 60, 17, 80, 90.
Everyone. Do you have the answers?
Yes.
Yes? All right.
Yes, teacher.
Well, let's see. I'm going to start asking individually. Let me start with Marcela. Good morning, Marcela.
Good morning, teacher.
So Marcela, which number did you listen? 13 or 30?
Daddy.
Okay. Then let's continue with Roxana. Which number did you listen next, Roxana?
Is 14.
14?
Yes.
Okay. Then let's see, Radel. Which one did you listen to, Radel? Uh-huh, 15 or
15.
50?
15.
15, okay. Melissa, next one. Which one did you listen?
60.
60.
Yes.
Okay. Catherine, which one did you listen? 17 or 70? Which one? Which one? Let's see. She says 17. Okay. Gabriela, which one did you listen to? 18 or 80?
80.
Okay. And let's see who's missing. I think that I asked to everyone already. Okay. Everybody. And the last one? Which one did you listen to in the last one?
90.
90. Okay, Catherine says 92. Okay. So, everyone, what do you think? Are these answers correct? Yes? No? Are you completely sure, or do you want to listen to the audio one more time? One more time?
The
Or-
second line is 40.
So instead of 14, you say that it's 40.
Yes.
Okay. Everybody, what do you think? Do you agree? Is it 14 or 40? What do you think?
40, teacher.
40? Okay. Do you want to change another one? Yes? No? Well, let me tell you that these ones are the correct answers. Very good job. And yes, it was 40 instead of 14. And look at this one. The rest of the sentences are correct. So the numbers are not so complicated, but there is not another way than memorizing them. So let's continue practicing the numbers.
30,
And today we are going to go to the supermarket. And you had to tell me the price, how much the products are. For example, the apples. How much is the apple? How can I say this amount? What is the first number? The first number is just 1, okay? And then it says 68. How can I say 68?
68.
All right, 68. So how much is the apple? $1.68. That's it, okay? So the idea is to practice the numbers. So let's go to the supermarket. Imagine, everybody, in this moment, I want you to imagine that you are in another country, okay? Imagine that you are in the United States, for example, and you need to go to the supermarket, okay? So you have to tell me everything in English. So let's see, I'm going to start asking to Gabriela. Gabriela, how much is this one, the chicken? How much is that?
It is $1.79.
Very good, 79. Nice job. Okay, thank you, Gabriela. Let's see, Melissa. How much is, let me see. I need to buy this. It's like peanut butter. How much is it?
229.
Okay, 229. Sounds good. Thank you. Okay, let's see, Radel. How much is, let me see. Okay, this one is like steering cheese. How much is it?
$4.18.
All right, 4.18 or, but I cannot see an 8. Is it 18? Are you sure? Because 18 is this one.
19.
90 or 19? Remember the stress.
19.
That's the one. Okay, very good. Let's see, Roxana, how much is this one? It's an onion dip, okay? How much is that?
$1.69.
69, nice job, very good. Okay, let's continue with Marcela. Hello, Marcela.
Hola. Hello.
How much is the pork?
$2.59.
$2.59, very good. Catherine, how much is this one? This tea? Oh, you can send it in the chat, but I wanted to hear the pronunciation. So you can send it like typing the complete number. So look, everyone, it's not that difficult, right? If you memorize the basic numbers, the rest of the numbers will be easy. So now you already know the basic numbers. Questions, everyone, with the numbers? Questions? Questions? Are the numbers clear? Yes? All right, let's see. Catherine says $4.49. Excellent. Very good job. All right, those are the numbers, everybody. Just remember to continue practicing them, review the numbers, and try to memorize them. Now, that was the first part. Now we need to go to the second topic, that is telling the time. Now that we know the numbers, we can tell the time. So look at this. We need to learn first the clock.
Me,
Yes?
I have a question
Go ahead.
for the topic, the last topic.
The numbers?
The
Mhm.
price,
Okay.
the structure, what is the correct structure?
Oh, if you want to say the prices.
$1 with
Yes.
78 cents.
That's it. For
Oh.
example, you can say $1 and y luego you can say the cents. For example, $1.68. This is like the most formal way, $1.68. However, we can say it a little bit shorter, and you can say, it's $1.68. We don't say the cents. Or even shorter, but this is informal, is just 68. So you can say it like this too. This one is the correct, grammatically and more formal, $1.68. You can omit the word cents, $1.68, or in a very short way, but this is very informal, 168. Right? The three ways are possible.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Any other questions that you may have, everyone, about the numbers? About the prices? No? All right, let's continue. So when we are telling the time, we are going to continue practicing the numbers. So how can we say the time? First of all, we need to memorize the structure. We are going to learn the first half, okay? Let's start with the first half of the clock. That is this one. This is the first half. Ahorita nos vamos a enfocar en esta mitad del reloj, okay? Only in the first half. So, how can I say the time? First of all, we are going to use the word o'clock. What is the meaning for o'clock? What is that?
En punto.
Exactly. It's en punto. So imagine in English, there will be the question, what time is it? ¿Qué estoy preguntando acá? What time is it?
¿Qué hora es?
Very good. So, ¿cómo respondemos a esa pregunta? Siempre vamos a decir it's. It's, and then we say the time. So, in this case, imagine, how can I say this time? It's, what is this number?
It is 8 o'clock.
Very good. 8, and then the word o'clock. It's 8 o'clock. That means 8 en punto. Good. But what happens Imagine that ya pasaron 5 minutos de las 8. Son las 8:05. How can I say that? In this case, we are going to say, primero vamos a decir los minutos que han pasado. It's 5. Y luego vamos a usar la preposition past. So in this case, is 5 past 8. Es decir, que han pasado 5 minutos de las 8. So, again, how can I say 8:05? It's 5 past 8. Now, look, en toda la primera mitad del reloj, vamos a usar past. Okay? Because we are saying the minutes that have passed from the hour. So, ¿cómo diría que son las 8:10? How can I say that? Remember, first, the minutes. It's 8:10. How can I say that?
It's 10 past 8.
Very good. It's 10 past 8. And if it is already las 8:15, now you have 2 options. How can I say 15?
15.
15. So you can say, it's 15 past 8. Or instead of 15, you can use the word quarter. What is quarter? What is that?
Cuarto. Un cuarto.
Exactly. It's like in Spanish, when we say, las 8:15, or las 8:15. You decide, you can use both, okay? Now, imagine that it's already the 8, like this, 8:25. How can I say that? It's, how can I say this number?
It's 25 past 8.
Very good. It's 25 past 8. That's it. And we got to the first half. So imagine it is already las 8:30. So how can I say that? Here, again, you have 2 options. How can I say 30? How can I say 30?
30.
30. So you can say, it's 30 past 8. Or we can use the word half. What is the meaning for half? What do you think?
Mitad y medio. Mitad.
Exactly. Es como las y media, la mitad. So in this case, if you use half, es como decir las 8:30. Okay? So those options, you can use the options that you prefer. So again, in the first half, what is the prepositions that we are going to use? We are going to use the preposition past. Now, I'm going to tell you at the time individually. Let me see. Let's start with Gabriela. Okay, Gabriela, what time is it? Oops, let me write it. What time is it?
It is 12 past 6.
Excellent, very good. Okay, let's continue with Roxana. Roxana, what time is it?
It is 7,
First,
5.
first the minutes. We first say the minutes.
Okay, it is 7 to 5 minutes.
Remember the structure. First, primero decimos los minutos y luego la preposition. Okay? Listen, es como que empezáramos de atrás hacia adelante. Okay? And we need to include the preposition past. So, ¿cómo diríamos esta hora? Primero los minutos, luego past y luego la hora. So, Roxana, can you try it again?
It is 5 past at 7.
Past 7, that's all. Very good. Look, 5 past 7. That's all. Excellent. Okay, let's see. Let's continue with Marcela. Marcela, what time is it?
Sixteen past 3.
Very good. 15 past 3. Or if I don't want to say 15,
Quarter
quarter,
past 3.
that's the one. Excellent. Okay, let's see. Radel, what time is it? Let's see. What time is it? Oh, I think that Radel is not here anymore. Okay, Melissa, what time is it?
It's 24 past 12.
Good, that's the one. Okay, Catherine, let's see, what time is it here? So remember that here we have two options.
How past 11?
Very good, excellent. Half past 11. If you don't want to say half, you can say 30. 30 past 11. Okay? So that is the way that we can tell the time in the first half. Remember, normally we say the minutes that have passed. En la primera mitad siempre decimos los minutos que han pasado. But what happens in the second half? In the second half, decimos los minutos que faltan para la siguiente hora, right? So, how can we use the second half? Imagine that is this one. And in Spanish, we say las 8:40 or faltan, ¿cuántos minutos faltan para las 9? Si son las 8:40.
20.
Faltan 20 minutos para las 9, right? So, in English, it's the same. Vamos a decir cuántos minutos faltan. And the structure is the same. Primero decimos los minutos, solo que ahora we are going to use the preposition to. Why? Because to means para. So, in this case, how can I say this number? It's missing 20 minutes. So, 22. ¿Qué horas van a ser? ¿Van a ser las 8 o van a ser las 9?
Las 9. 9.
Exactly. So we need to say la hora que va a ser. Okay? So look, we have to say it's 20 to 9. Es decir, faltan 20 para las 9. So you have to be careful with the second half. Aquí no decimos la hora que es, sino la que va a ser. So once again, imagine if I have this one. What time is it? ¿Cuánto falta para las 9?
It's 8:45.
Very good. It's quarter. And then the preposition to. Y no vamos a decir 8. Vamos a decir 9. Because that's the time that is next. Okay. Esa es la hora que sigue. If it is this time, what time is it? ¿Cuánto falta para las 9?
It is 10 to 9.
Very good. 10 to 9. If it is like this, what do you think?
It's 5 to 9.
It's 5 to 9. Very good. So remember, you had to say the hour that is next. Again, I'm going to be asking individually. For example, look at this number. Look at this. Okay, Melissa, what time is it here?
It's 10 to 11.
Very good. It's 10 to 11. Very good. Okay, let's see. Roxana, what time is here?
It's 5 to 12.
Very good. 5 to 12. Very nice. Okay, Gabriela, what time is it? Oops, here.
It is 4:15. No, it is 3:45.
That's the one. Excellent. Okay, Marcela, what time is here? What time is it?
It is 20 to 7.
Okay, perfect. Catherine, what time is, let me see, let me think in a different one. Okay, what time is here, Catherine?
Five, 2, 6.
Perfect, excellent. So look at this, girls. This is the way that we can tell the time. So I know it is a little bit complicated, but you just need to memorize that. In the first half, we use a preposition past. In the second half, we use the preposition to. Okay? And remember, first we say the minutes and then we say the hour. Now, let's have a quick practice. I have here different watches. We need to match the time with the correct spelling. For example, in the letter A, what time is it in the letter A? So don't look at the answers. First, tell me with your own words. What time is it in the letter A? Any idea? Anyone?
It's 10 past 10.
Very good. It's 10, preposition past 10. Okay. What about in the letter B? What time is it in the letter B?
2 o'clock.
2 o'clock. Excellent. And in the letter C, everyone, what time is it?
It's 20 past 2.
All right, look, it's 20 past 2. Very good. Letter D, what time is it?
It is 5:45.
Okay, pronunciation, quarter.
Quarter
Uh-huh.
to 7.
7. It's 6:45. Very good. Excellent, excellent. Letter E, volunteer. What time is it in the letter E?
It's 3:15.
3:15. Nice job. In the letter F, can you see it? It's a little small, but it is like this.
It's 20 to
Okay, it's 22. Very good.
Yes.
Letter G, look at that one. What time is it, everyone?
It's 5 to 4.
It's 5 to 4. Perfect. And the last one, what time is it in the last one?
It's 5 past 10.
It's 5 past 10. Very good. Excellent. Easy or difficult telling the time? What do you think, girls? Easy? Difficult?
More or less.
More or less?
Ni siquiera me puedo el reloj en español.
That happens, you know, and let me be honest with you. If you see, we are the digital generation, right? So we most of the time see this. Let me show you a picture. Most of the time we use this type of watches, right? This type of clock, digital. We don't use these ones, okay? So los relojes análogos como que casi que no los usamos, right? Casi que solo usamos los digitals, right? And we are very used to say the time in a different way. So look, in English, we can also say the time in a different way. La manera que hemos aprendido hoy es como la manera difícil de decir la hora. But we can also say it in a different way. For example, look at this clock. What time is it here? Como lo hemos aprendido hoy, what time is it?
It's quarter,
Quarter
quarter to 9. No, 8.
Very good. That is one way, 7:45. But also there is another way. ¿Cómo es otra forma de decirlo en Spanish? Because in Spanish we can say 7:15. Or también podemos decirlo 7:45. So that happens in English too. In English, we can say 7:45 or exactly the numbers that you see. ¿Cómo sería?
7
7.
to
In this case, look.
7:45 a.m. or a quarter to 8 in the morning.
So there is two ways. Look, there are two ways. La forma un poquito complicada, que es la que aprendimos hoy, 7:45. Or simply just say 7:45. Es decir, just the numbers that you see. 7 and then the number 45. No prepositions, anything. Now you can say teacher. So that is the easiest one. Digámoslo así. The problem is that you don't know who you will be talking to. No todas las personas van a usar la forma fácil. So imagine that you are talking to a customer and the customer use the difficult ones. So it is necessary to learn both. Okay, it's necessary to memorize the easiest, but the difficult one too. Okay, so tomorrow, because unfortunately we don't have more time, tomorrow we are going to practice both the difficult, but also the easiest one. Okay, so we are going to practice both. So look at your clock. What time is it right now? Tell me the time and we are free to go. What time is it right now?
8:02.
Excellent, very good, 8:02. Okay, girls, thank you so much for being in the class. Don't forget to practice the number, please, and we are going to continue tomorrow. Have a good day. See you tomorrow.
Bye.
bye.
Bye-bye.